Brian.
And I'm Karen.
And we've got something for you today. Karen had a great idea. She asked, why don't we show how to make bolsters out of towels or out of blankets? So in case you don't have a bolster at home, what else can you use? Well, for sure you can use pillows and stuff like that, but here's a simple way to turn a bath towel into a bolster. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. I'm going to hand the camera over to Karen. Karen is going to point the camera towards me.
Okay.
And are we good?
We are good.
Okay. So, just for ease of demonstration, I grabbed a bath towel. Anything that you have that's rectangular, where you have a short end, so the short ends are here on the top, long end is here on the side. You want to have a short end and a long end. Once you've established that, let me turn it this way. You want to fold it in half horizontally, short end to short end. From this position, fold it in half vertically. And make sure as you're folding it in half, try to keep the lines clean and try to keep it wrinkle free. From there, fold it in half vertically one more time. And you get something that looks like this. It looks like that. And earlier, we folded another towel the same way. So we get two towels stacked on top of each other. And you wind up with a small bolster. So it's perfect for Stobart's back bend. It's perfect for under your knees. It's perfect for pretty much anything in yin yoga. If you need more of a bolster, just fold up a third or fourth or fifth towel. 5 towels might be a lot, but it's just a great way to have an adjustable bolster, and all it takes is a couple of bath towels. Let me show you one more time. Start with the towel this way, and you fold the top short end to the bottom short end. Double check, make sure the lines are good. You're not folding up a bunch of wrinkles. Fold it vertically once. Clean up the lines, get rid of the wrinkles. Fold it vertically again. You get one of these, stack two together, and you have really pretty close to a small bolster. Give that a try. Let us know what you think. Thanks.